There's a wider range of materials available in composite repair, from water-activated products that you can literally buy in ready-to-use kits. And those are the cheapest repairs. They're also the least valuable in terms of strength, but they're very low in cost. Then you get into fiberglass and a variety of different epoxies, and each of these epoxies materials are going to have a different cost structure depending on the temperature ratings of those materials, and in some cases we may use abrasion resistant materials if you're concerned with through-wall happening after the installation. So those are a couple of the things that you need to consider. And then you have carbon fiber. Carbon fiber as a material is the most expensive of the composite repair cloths that we're going to use, and many of the epoxies that are used in conjunction to create the bonding and the sealing of the carbon fibers are similar to the fiberglass, but the real price point difference is between carbon fiber and fiberglass. Both of them have different lengths of life and significantly different strengths in terms of how they're used. But here's the other thing to consider. Because of the increased strength of carbon fiber over fiberglass, often, even though the material is more expensive, and sometimes might be a couple of times more expensive than fiberglass, we're often using as little as 20 or 30% of the same material, so we might only need to wrap the pipe with 2 or 3 or 4 layers of carbon fiber versus 12 or 15 or 16 layers of fiberglass, depending on the pressure and the pressure that we're trying to restore the piping back to. So the difference between cost of the two really isn't about the material, it's about the cost of installation and the time of installation, because fiberglass might take you 4 times longer to install, and if your most significant cost are all of those person hours, then what we find often is carbon fiber is a better solution because it's faster to install. You're paying more for the material, but you're getting a lot more leverage out of fewer man hours. And those are the things that you want to consider in terms of the way that we try to make it the most cost effective. So carbon fiber tends to be stronger, it tends to be faster to install, but there is a higher material cost, but that tends to be in the overall cost of the project, makes it the best solution in many of the applications that we work on.